Were pouring, the day was boring, and then I saw you and my spirit started soaring. Like helter-skelter, you ran for shelter. It happened on one rainy afternoon. I saw you standing right in the doorway. I said, I beg your pardon, but I'm going your way. You hesitated, and while you waited, you noticed one umbrella made for two. Surprisingly, you smiled at me, and I could see that there would be a shower of love and everything in tune upon a rainy afternoon. The weather's fine now because you're mine now. It won't be long before we sign the dotted line now. It goes to show you I'd never know you. We should be thankful for a rainy afternoon.